Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emma, and if you're not new here, my name is still Emma. Today I'm coming at you guys with a skincare routine. So everything I'm using today is going to be from AVENE. So they have been absolutely incredible and have sent me a whole bag full of their products, which is absolutely insane. It feels like Christmas. I reached out to AVENE because I use their products literally every single day and they're incredible, especially because you guys know I have psoriasis, so my skin is very sensitive and very dry. Their stuff works absolute wonders, and I mean for all skin types, not just the ones who have dry skin. They do stuff for oily skin types, normal skin types and everything like that. So yeah, I'm literally so excited for this video. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So I'll start off by showing you guys kind of what they gave me. So they sent me 9 products here. Zero Calm Liquid Replenishing Cleansing Oil, Extremely Gentle Cleanser Lotion, Skin Recovery Cream, Soothing Eye Contour Cream, the Thermal Spring Water, the Zero Calm AD Liquid Replenishing Balm, SPF 30+ Facial Sunscreen Moisturizer, Calcifate Restorative Skin Cream, Calcifate Repair Balm, which is like a lip balm. And they're also really nice and included this little bag in there, which is like super cute. It's like clear on the front, so like, if you'll be able to see, it's like, yeah. AVENE is available in most pharmacies and quite often they have gift with purchases. So if you buy like say 2 products or spend $50 or whatever in store on AVENE stuff, you get a gift with purchase, provided that the deal obviously is going and that they have stock. So I assume that this would be the current gift with purchase that they've got going at the moment, but I don't know for certain. But anyway, that's that. To give you guys a bit of background information, AVENE is based out of France, so they have thermal spring pools and stuff over in France, which you can go over there for, I think it's 2 weeks. You can go over there and they're basically, it's like a retreat type thing to basically just help you get your skin looking great. That is something I'd love to do one day, is to go over to France and go into that thing, and oh, be a dream. I'm going to be using the products that they've sent me as well. There's also other products of theirs that I already have, because as I said, I've been using their products for like ever. I guess I'll just go through each product individually and kind of just show you guys what it is and what I use it for, and talk about how incredible it is pretty much. So first up we have the Zero Calm AD Liquid Replenishing Cleansing Oil. So this is like a shower body wash. So obviously I'm not going to be using it right now because I'm not in the shower and I'm not going to be getting in the shower for this video. You just use it like a body wash. You put a few pumps in your hand, lather it up, and then head to toe. Next up we have the Extremely Gentle Cleanser Lotion. So this is what I would use at night time. Previously I have used 2 other face washes. I have used this Gentle Milk Cleanser, which is what I originally used when I first started using AVENE stuff, which works really well. My mum uses that one. And the other one, which I then moved into because I got a tester one of this, which I'll talk about in a second, and it's the Cleansing Foam. So that's like a foam face wash, so like you pump it out. That's really good, which I've been using kind of up until now, but the one that I've been sent is more for the dry skin type. This one here, my brother uses it as well when he's home from uni. That's really nice, especially because it's foamy, so it's quite nice and light on your skin. I'll tie my hair back and we can get into this. But as I was saying, how I tried the tester of it, this was like a gift with purchase that I got last year, and it has just like heaps of little samples in it, which is how I got like I actually still got it somewhere, like it was a little travel pump, and I still use that when I go away. So when I wash my face, I always use kind of like, not lukewarm, more the warmer side of water, but never hot water. I don't actually wet my face first, I just put a little bit on my fingers. This feels so nice on your skin, like I'm not even kidding. I put this on last night. I did like a run through just to make sure I was doing everything properly. And oh my gosh, I put it on, I was like, this is beautiful. I haven't tried this one before. This was sent to me because they said it would be more suited to my skin type, and honestly, it is amazing. I woke up this morning and my skin was so soft, which is probably a result of this as well as everything else I used. Wring out the face cloth. This is probably really bad, but I get quite a lot of dry skin around the edges of my face, like on the little bits of my ears and stuff, and around my scalp line. And I often use this time to try and get that dry skin off, which is really bad because I shouldn't be doing that, but it's fine. Pat face dry, don't wipe it dry because that is not good. So that is the face wash, all done and dusted. I didn't get sent this is a product I have already. The Gentle Exfoliating Gel, this is a really good facial exfoliator. It says use it once or twice a week. If you had oilier skin, you'd probably use it twice a week, but for me I have very dry skin, so I would do this once every 2 weeks or so, just to like remove all the dead skin cells and stuff. Obviously it has the little exfoliating beads in it, and AVENE, back when all of the stuff like the night, what are they called, micro beads, is that what they're called? Anyway, the little plastic beads that were in skincare products, when all that came out, AVENE did like a massive recall of all their products that had the beads in them, and redistributed products which have biodegradable little beads in them. So don't worry about that. Next up we have the Skin Recovery Cream, which is a facial moisturizer. This is how I do my moisturizer. I just go cheek, cheek, forehead, nose, chin. And then I just rub it all around. So this is for the face and the neck, so I'll do my face first and then move down and use the excess on my neck. Sometimes I go around my ears as well because they get very, very dry. If you've got psoriasis, you will understand what I mean. I don't put anything on my eyes at the moment because you'll see in a second why. Then we move on to the Soothing Eye Contour Cream. I started using it a couple of weeks ago. My mum had one at home here. So my eyes were so dry, so red, so irritated, and I was like, I need to do something about this. And I was like, oh here, try this. And I was like, oh okay, this is what is like changed my life. My eyes probably look a little bit red at the moment, but we'll just pass that by because this is actually how they look when they're good. Just like the little tiniest little bit, and just on the eyelid underneath, and it is like, oh, so good. So like the bottle is tiny, but that's because you don't need much. So next up is the Zerocalm AD Lipid Replenishing Balm. So this is like the body moisturizer, so obviously I won't be showing you now because I'm not moisturizing my whole entire body, but I'll use this as soon as I jump out of the shower. You can get this Zerocalm AD in a balm and a cream. So I previously used the cream, but I got sent the balm to try. They actually changed their bottles as well. The bottle for this used to be a bigger version of this, like a obviously much bigger version of that. And now it's like a pump, which is like super cool. Actually, I'll do a little bit so you guys can see. And it comes out. Oh, and I need to find somewhere to put this. A little bit goes a long way. I don't really talk about it much on my YouTube, but I used to work in a pharmacy and my parents are both pharmacists. So I've tried literally everything under the sun when it comes to skincare. Like when a new product comes into the shop, I'm their guinea pig. So I've tried everything that you could ever imagine. I started using AVENE when I was probably 12 maybe. I'm now 17. No, I would have been younger than that. 11, 10. When I started intermediate, year 7, whatever that was, and I finished high school now. So I've been using it for a very long time. I'm trying out different products and stuff. And I'm like, oh, so excited to have like a full AVENE skincare routine. It's like, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. But yeah, anyway, that's the replenishing balm. So as you saw, that one pump did both arms and did them quite well as well. Like that probably could have done like my stomach, part of like my chest or whatever. And I don't know if a normal person who doesn't have psoriasis would moisturize literally their whole entire body. But I don't know, I've always wondered that because like I have to, like it's not by choice. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. I'm not sure. I literally like moisturize my whole entire body from head to toe. This is the Day Protector, which is tinted. So it's like a tinted moisturizer for your face with SPF in it. So this one's SPF 30. So I was sent this by AVENE, but previously I was using this little SPF 21, which is a little facial moisturizer. Absolutely incredible when you're away on holiday. Like I use this in Fiji, I use it for Whangamata. Probably should use it every day, but I don't, and that's really bad. So I used this morning. But it's like, it's a really nice colour. I put it on this morning and I was like, wow, this is like, because I'm like a little pasty little thing, and it's just like really nice, and it feels quite nice on your skin. Like it feels a little bit like sunscreen, but like doesn't. I don't know, it's weird. And the fact that it's tinted is like great because you guys know I don't wear makeup, so this is like super nice. So obviously you guys know you should wear sunscreen on your face every single day so that you don't get wrinkles and you don't get melanoma and what have you. So this is like really nice because it's just like an everyday thing, and since it's tinted it can go pass off as a light foundation. Next we move on to Calcifate. So this is for like the red and inflamed areas, like the trouble areas pretty much. So like I used it this morning under here, so it just helps calm it down and just put it in its place a little bit. So a little bit goes a long way with this one as well. And there's also a Calcifate lip balm. So I used this last night. It's honestly incredible. I woke up this morning and my lips were nice. Just like a lip applicator. And last but not least in this little skincare routine, we have the AVENE Thermal Spring Water. So this, if you know me, you know that this is like my go-to. I have it in 3 bottle sizes. So this was the size they sent me, which is 150ml. And then they have the little 50ml bottle here, which is one I already had. And then they also have the 300ml. Yeah, so you can see the size differences. This one's really great for traveling. I keep one of these in my, I did keep one of these in my school bag, especially in summer, like when it gets hot or if I'm like sunburnt or whatever. It's really good relief for that. I'm not going to spray my face now because I've got sunscreen on, but if I put up my arm, you'll see it's like a thin, you can't probably see it, but it's just like a nice spray of water, which is amazing on hot days. Like in summer when it's like sweltering hot, you just get that out and oh, so good. So that is all the products that have been sent to me, but I did want to talk about 3 more products which I've used, which are absolutely incredible. And so I'm saying about literally every single one of these products, but like I'm speaking the truth guys, hands down best skincare product I've ever used in my life. and you guys know that I've used my fair share of skincare products. So if you wear makeup, I very rarely wear makeup, but there's two products that I want to show you here. So the first one is the micellar water. Absolutely incredible. So I use this in the very rare occasion that I do wear makeup. Really nice, and just leaves your skin feeling so good afterwards. And the other thing, this is just a tester bottle, which has kind of been used by mum and I for like a while now, but this is the gentle eye makeup remover. So just put like a little bit on like a makeup pad thing and just like wipe it across your eye when you've got eyeshadow on. Honestly, eyeshadow, mascara, everything, it gets it off so well without irritation. Leaves your skin feeling so nice. Even after the school balls and stuff, when I have really heavy makeup on, it just, oh, I cannot explain how good it is. And the last product here is a soothing moisture mask. So this is like a little tester one, obviously. I used it a couple of weeks ago. I was having a really bad day with my skin. Like it was not my friend. And so this I tried the same day that I tried the eye soothing cream stuff. So I put this on before that, and I put this on, and you're supposed to leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off. Anyway, I left it on for 15 minutes and it felt so nice. I actually didn't wash it off, and I just rubbed it in, because after the 15 minutes it kind of felt like after you take a sheet mask off. So I just rubbed it in a bit more and kept it on as like a moisturizer. Honestly, left my skin so nice and dewy. And yeah, so I think I might actually go and invest in a proper bottle of that, because that was amazing. But yeah, this is gonna be quite a long video. I wasn't anticipating that. But obviously thank you so much to AVENE for sending these products out to me. I am literally fangirling so much right now. Like this is like so exciting. You guys have been asking for a skincare routine for a very long time, so I'm glad that I could finally give one to you guys. I'll try and put the names of the products down below as well, so if you're going out into the pharmacy and you want to buy them, you can show them what it is rather than having to try and pronounce them, because some of them are a bit tricky to pronounce, I will admit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make someone smile, and I'll see you in my next video. I don't know where to look. Do I look at that? Do I look at nothing? French. Just dropping it. Oh my gosh, there's something wrong with this plug. Oh, I had it full of water and it's all drained out.